If you look at the major cloud providers, Azure, GCP, and AWS, the most lame generative AI offerings are from AWS, or maybe they don't have any offering as of yet, which would be called as really purely generative AI service. Whereas Azure and GCP, they are really making good progress. Having said that, AWS has announced AWS Bedrock, which I have discussed in a couple of videos, but that service is not even available in preview as we speak. AWS is promising that it will be released very soon. All it is an API access to the foundation models. Anyway, having said that, while AWS tries to cover its ground, they have released these AWS SageMaker Jumpstart, and in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick overview about AWS Jumpstart and how maybe you can use it for some of the generative AI stuff. As you know, the seeds of a machine learning paradigm shift have existed for decades, but with the ready availability of virtually infinite compute capacity, a massive proliferation of data, and the rapid advancement of machine learning technologies, more and more companies are rapidly adopting and using ML technologies to transform their businesses. Just recently, generative AI applications have captured everyone's attention and imagination. And I believe we are truly at an exciting inflection point in the widespread adoption of ML. And we believe every customer experience and application will be reinvented with generative AI. Generative AI is a type of AI that can create new content and ideas, including conversations, stories, images, videos, and music. Like all AI, generative AI is powered by machine learning models, which are very large models that are pre-trained on vast corpora of data and commonly referred to as foundation models or FMs. When we say corpora, it is a linguistic term which means huge volume of text. The size and general purpose nature of foundation models make them different from the traditional ML models as you can see on your screen. Now, for a quick difference between these two, with traditional models, in order to achieve each specific task, you need to gather label data, train a model, and deploy that model. With foundation models, instead of gathering label data for each model and training multiple models, you can use the same pre-trained pre-trained FM to adopt various tasks. You can also customize foundation models to perform domain-specific functions that are differentiating to your businesses using only a small fraction of data and compute required to train a model from scratch. Generative AI has a potential to disrupt many industries by revolutionizing the way content is created and consumed. Original content production, code generation, customer service enhancement, and document summarization are typical use cases of Gen AI or generative AI. So, Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart is AWS service which provides pre-trained open source models for a wide range of problem types. And in the next video, I'm going to give you a bit more detail around the AWS SageMaker Jumpstart. And what is Amazon SageMaker? If you have worked with machine learning in AWS, you might be aware of this SageMaker. This is simply a managed service by AWS to build, train, and deploy machine learning models, and mainly the traditional models, for any use case with fully managed infrastructure, tooling, and workflows. So the Jumpstart is sort of a wrapper by AWS to sort of mold this SageMaker for foundation models along with the traditional models. And in the next video, I'm going to give you a very quick 1 minute summary of what exactly is AWS SageMaker Jumpstart. Thanks for listening.